So, what happens if you fire your personal injury lawyer? Well, in this example, Sue was injured in a car accident. She hired a personal injury lawyer. The lawyer helped her set up treatment with doctors on a lien. The lawyer then filed a lawsuit on her behalf because the insurance companies didn't pay enough to settle the case. And then what happened was Sue and her lawyer got into a bit of a dispute, and Sue fired her lawyer. And this does happen sometimes in legal contracts. The client's going to have the ability to fire the lawyer, and the lawyer is going to have the ability to fire the client. It doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen. So in this particular case, the case is in litigation. The lawyer gets fired. So what happens next? Well, there's a couple things. First of all, the lawyer is probably going to do something which is a lien on the case. And so what this is in non-legal speak is the lawyer saying, hey, look, I worked on your case. I spent money, time, energy on it, and I am entitled to compensation to repay me for that when the case is resolved. So if Sue later settles this case and there's a big settlement check, the lawyer is going to say, well, a chunk of that settlement check goes to me. If it goes to verdict in a trial and it's a win, the lawyer is going to say, hey, part of that verdict goes to me. Additionally, because Sue was set up for her medical treatment on medical liens, the doctors that she treated with still have liens on her claim, even though she's not going to be proceeding with the same lawyer. So at the end of the day, Sue's got to pay probably something for the lawyer for time and energy working on the case, and she's also going to have to pay back the liens for her medical providers. So kind of the moral of the story is generally you can't just fire a lawyer and then not have to pay the lawyer or the medical providers because you fired the lawyer.